Hello everyone, a little on the cloudy side for some of us. Some of us, though, have had a beautiful sunny day. Everybody nice and warm, though, right now. Above average temperatures here to start off the work week. Unfortunately, these are not going to be lasting too much longer. We don't really have any moisture to worry about in the immediate future through the night tonight. We've just got a couple of these little pockets of sprinkles or drizzle. That's about all we're dealing with. Clouds increasing from west to east. Some of us, of course, already under those cloudy skies. But if we look off to the west, that's where we see quite a bit of rain. Toward Washington and Oregon, we've got some heavier rain there. As that moves our way, we're going to see some of that rain. We're also going to be seeing quite a bit of snow with that next system. So it's a big area of low pressure off to our west that's going to start to drift towards us as we head through the night tonight. So after midnight, that's when things really start to get going. Already seeing some rain in western Montana along the northern divide. We've got quite a bit of snow already falling. It's tomorrow morning. It's kind of a mix of rain and snow. That's going to continue through the day. So by about noon, some of us are dealing with rain showers up toward the High Line and especially north of the Canadian border. Pretty heavy band of snow has set up, and that's going to kind of shift off to the south a little bit later into the afternoon. So by 3 p.m., we've got a good amount of snow in northern Montana, still some lingering rain showers elsewhere. As we head into the evening and that system pushes to the south, more cold air starts to push in, so we get more widespread snow by the time we get into the evening and overnight hours for our Tuesday night rather, and then into early Wednesday, some lingering snow showers before things kind of wrap up. By Wednesday afternoon, some pockets of clearing there. So quite a long-lived event. It's not going to be an entirely snow event, so that should keep snow totals down a little bit. Again, the heaviest band of snow, you can kind of make it out, that's going to be north of the Canadian border, but there are a couple models that still kind of shift that south a little bit. So I've gone a little bit higher for Havre and Glasgow. I've gone 2 to 4. Realistically, you guys are probably going to be closer to that 2-inch range. But there is a potential for some heavier snow. That's why we keep you there. Only about a trace to 2 for Great Falls, less than an inch for Helena. We do get some snow at the higher elevations as well, some additional snow totals. But it's really the northern divide here, over like the Marias Pass area that we're going to see the heaviest snow. That's where a winter storm warning is in effect. 3 to 6 inches at the lower elevations like Browning and Hart Butte. But again, into the mountains, 6 to 12 inches of snow. So some very heavy snowfall totals there. Winter weather advisories mainly kind of along and north of the High Line there, between about 1 and 5 inches of snow. Heavier snow in general to the east, not quite as much to the west, and generally, as you head a little farther south, not quite as much snow as well, like we just saw on that snowfall graphic. Also some heavier snow along the divide. Keep in mind that does not include Helena. Helena, again, you guys are going to pick up probably less than an inch. Let's talk about temperatures through the day tomorrow, because again, we're looking at mostly a rain event for some of us. So overnight lows tonight around to slightly below freezing, and tomorrow's high temperatures a little cooler off to the north, where we see that transition a little bit earlier. Many of us, though, still seeing high temperatures in the 40s for our Tuesday. Winds occasionally gusting over 20 miles per hour, but in general 10 to 20. So it is that rain turning to snow we're concerned with, even in spots where we don't see a ton of snow accumulation with some water already on the roads and temperatures falling below freezing. Could definitely get a little slippery out there, especially for Wednesday morning. So we'll keep a close eye on that and keep you updated. Thanks for watching.